What if your network was wide open to attacks right now? Most routers allow all traffic by default, but one wrong ACL rule can either save your network or lock everyone out. In this video, I'll show you how to configure bulletproof access control lists without breaking your network. Want to master network security? Let's dive in. ACL operation. In a perfect world where we could trust anyone and/or no one would make a mistake, well, we wouldn't need security. But in real life, bad things can happen to our network. That's why we need to protect it. By default, all IP packets on a router are routed. There are no restrictions. Thanks to access lists, it will be possible to prevent certain IP packets from entering or leaving our routers. Access lists operate on the network layer, layer 3, and the transport layer, layer 4. An ACL is a list of rules that allows you to filter or allow traffic on a network based on several criteria, such as IP address, port, or even protocol. It allows you to either allow traffic, in which case the ACL will start with the word permit, or to block it with the word deny. It is possible to apply a maximum of one ACL per interface and per direction, i.e., either by entering or exiting with the words input and output. The ACL is parsed by the iOS from top to bottom. As soon as a rule matches with the package, it is either allowed or removed, and the rest of the ACL will not be analyzed. Each ACL has a last default line that blocks all traffic that would not have matched with one of the ACL. For example, on this router, an IP packet arrives on the phase 000 interface. The packet will be parsed by the incoming ACL. If the package matches with a deny rule, then it will be deleted. If it matches with a permit rule, then it can pass and the router will take care of it. The router decides to route this packet to the phase 01 interface. There is also an ACL, but this time it is placed at the exit. If the packet is allowed, then it will continue on its way. Otherwise, it will be deleted. There are two types of ACL. The standard ACL, which allows traffic to be analyzed only according to the source IP address, and the extended ACL, which allows you to analyze traffic according to several criteria. Standard ACL should be applied as close as possible to the destination due to their low accuracy. An extended ACL should be applied as close as possible to the source. In the configuration of an ACL, it is possible to identify it by a number or by a name in the form of an alphanumeric string. If you want to assign it a number, then the command will be access list, and if you want to name it, then it will be IP access list. When an ACL contains several rules, the most precise rules should be placed at the beginning of the list, and the most generic at the end of the list. The easiest way is to create your ACL in a text editor and configure it by copy-paste to avoid mistakes. And it is advisable to always disable an ACL on an interface before modifying it.